Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Kamal bin Abdul Wahid. I would like to present to you the report on audio amplifier circuit prototype using single stage BJT. Uh, this we have our group, total 8 people, which is me, Muhammad Kamal bin Abdul Wahid, Muhammad Aiman bin Mokhtar, Muhammad Zulfaqar bin Yaakob, Muhammad Helmi bin Azman, Nasran Hakimi bin Zahilal, Muhammad Alif Rifdi bin Muhammad Rofi, and Idham Fadli bin Mat Isa, and Wan Zarif Zikri bin Wan Marzuki. Audio amplifier circuit prototype using single stage BJT. The abstract. The audio amplifier is an electronic amplifier that amplifies low power electronic audio signals that are large enough to drive loudspeaker or headphones, such as radio receiver signal or electric guitar pickup stage. Audio amplifier can be found in all manner of sound systems, including sound reinforcement, public address and home audio systems, and musical amplifiers like guitar amplifiers. It is the final electronic stage in a typical studio playback chain before signal is sent to the loudspeaker. The purpose of this project to propose an audio amplifier prototype that able to drive 0.2 watt speaker at reasonable audio frequency range, like example 300 Hz to 3000 Hz. Using the bipolar junction transistor (BJT) or field effect transistor (FET) or both. We demonstrate our audio amplifiers prototype using multi-sim software and shown our simplified calculation for the audio amplifiers prototype, and testing the values of calculation were met with the simulation on multi-sim.
Okey, bahagian hitam. So, ni adalah single stage BJT amplifier. So, dia menggunakan 5 resistor, 1 RL. Source dia menggunakan AC voltage source. So, dia menggunakan 2 kapasitor yang nilai 10 farad. Okay, so VCC dia adalah 15 volt. So, input dia adalah 100 GB, frekuensi dia 1 kHz. So, data ini sepatutnya dapat mengoperasikan sekurangnya 0.2 watt speaker. Okay, so objektif data ni adalah untuk mendapatkan output sama dengan 0.2 watt. Okay, so kat sini ada wattmeter. So baca dia 246.327 watt sama dengan 0.246 watt. So
Hello, my name is Muhammad Alif Rifdi bin Muhammad Rafi. Nombor ID B081910461 from BAT S2-1. I will talk about the conclusion. To conclude this whole assignment, we know that there's no such thing to perfect or ideal measurement which provide the true value of the measured quantity. There are a particular number of reasons from limitation based on the limitation measured equipment that we use in the assignment. Furthermore, we also understand the difference between accuracy and precision, as we know that in this assignment and the measured value can be discriminated. As we know in the assignment, the amplifier design is the reason why it has to be a major challenge for us, thus being excellent source of knowledge databases. We practically mainly on the parasite oscillation and noise problem that occurred during the simulation, and it made us delay to in a way for a schedule to overextend. After that, the other reason is the circuit might be loading when we try the circuit.
Hello, my name is Shashak Mizalal. I'm from class BETS161. So today in this assignment group, I would like to explain about my part, which is the acknowledgement. So in the assignment we are it's about the audio amplifier circuit prototype using multi-stage BJT. So this is my group members. So I will explain about my part. So acknowledgement. As we know in this assignment, we definitely reached our final success in this assignment that required a lot of enlightenment and also assistance from many friends, and we extremely delighted to have got this all along the completion of our assignment group project. Whatever we have done is all due to such guidance and cooperation, and we would not to forget to be grateful to them. We respect and thank to Sir Hafiz bin Zakawi for giving us an opportunity to do this assignment and providing all the support and guidance which made us complete the assignment in time. We're definitely grateful to him for providing such support for us. Last but not least, we would like to express our gratitude to our friends and students for the support and willingness to spend some time with us to fill in the questionnaire. This assignment could not be complete without the effort and cooperation and all from our group members. So that's all from my part, and thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Idam Fadli bin Maisa. Okay, for this presentation, I will present the introduction of this assignment. Okay, the circuit of the audio amplifier consists of a transistor, a device to apply the input signal, and a speaker at the output. Okay, for the circuit, will we use bipolar junction transistor. It also can be called BJT. Okay, there are two types BJT, which is NPN and PNP. Okay, but for this circuit, we will use NPN type. Okay, this is the NPN type. Okay, this is a collector, base, and emitter. Okay, it is different between PNP. Okay, the location of collector and emitter. Okay, okay. Uh, Bipolar junction transistor can be used as an amplifier, filter, rectifier, oscillator, or and switch. Okay, the transistor will be operate as an amplifier or other linear circuit if the transistor bias into the linear region. Okay, the function of bipolar junction transistor is to amplify the current. Okay, we also use the speaker. The speaker will convert electromagnetic wave into sound wave. Okay, thank you.
Hello, my name is Wazaru Zikri Bimazuki. I am from S2 stroke 1. My metric number is B08 19110 443. Okay, so uh, I'll be presenting about project method part A, which is mathematical modeling. So often in electronic amplifier systems, several amplifiers are cascaded in order to furnish adequate gain. It is easy to see that the resulting gain of two cascaded ideal amplifiers would be the product of the individual gain. So figure 1 shows a two-stage. So this is amplifier 1, which is labeled AV1, and this is amplifier 2, which is labeled AV2. So this is V in, V out, V output 1, V output. So this to calculate the overall gain of the multi-stage amplifiers, the product of the individual open circuit gain of each stage is reduced by the voltage divider at the input and output of each stage. The following equation can be used to calculate the overall gain of a two-stage amplifier. So the formula is for a CE voltage divider bias BJT amplifier circuit, the first stage gain is calculated as AV1 equal to RC R1 over 1 R2 over RE. The gain for the unloaded second stage gain is AV2 equal to negative RC over RE plus capital RE. So the overall gain is NL equal to V1 times AV2. So next, the output voltage is then calculated as V output equal to AVT times V in. Then the overall gain with load applied is AV total equal to RL over RL plus Z out times AV total. Then lastly, then the output voltage is V out equal to I. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zulfaka. For today, I will explain about result in discussion. In this mini project, it presents a manufactured audio amplifier for general use by using BJT. Also, we use multi-scene software to get the output required, which is 0.2 watt. The factor for discrepancy between calculate and measure gain is might be instrument calibration. After that, the other reason is the circuit might be loading when we try the circuit. Furthermore, component tolerance is one of the factors between the calculation and measuring. The frequency from 300 Hz until 3 kHz did not affect the value of output power, but it affects the graph at electronic oscilloscope. What we can conclude in this mini project is in this multi-test circuit in the RL, components are very useful to reduce the current flow. So from that we can get the value of 0.2 watt as same as required. So there are the example of the circuit with the without RL and the AC sweep graph. So this is the circuit without RL, and then this is the circuit with RL. So we can see the difference between the output power. And then we have AC sweep graph. So this is the AC sweep graph. So without RL, this is the pattern of AC sweep, and then with RL, this is the pattern of AC sweep. So there is the difference. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Helmi bin Azman. My ID number B08110173. In this assignment, my part is project methodology. So, this project methodology is divided in two parts, part A and part B. Now you can see in our report, project method part A and part B is here. So in part B is project simulation. So for this assignment, we use multisim to simulate the circuit, and then we use the multisim software for the version 14.0. Okay, so the requirement for this assignment, we need to get the output 0.2 watt when construct circuit like this one. Okay, we need to change the resistor load at this point. You can see. So we try another to get the output 0.2 watt. The first resistor is 2 kilo ohm, 4 kilo ohm, 6 kilo ohm, 8 kilo ohm, and 10 kilo ohm. And this one is the output lah. And then okay, and then we measure by use wattmeter. Okay, and then after we done measure, we test, change the resistor load, and then we get the output 0.2 watt, which is completely the requirement. And the value of RL, resistor load, is definitely important in this project because we need to identify which is the suitable value that we should use as requirement. Okay, and that's all for me. Thank you.